In Windows 11, the system can automatically adjust the date and time based on your location. Sometimes the displayed time may not be accurate due to various reasons, resulting in unsynchronized time settings. Watch this video to learn how to adjust the date and time to your preference. First, right-click on the clock at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Adjust Date and Time. The date and time settings window will display. In the Set the Time Zone Automatically section, choose the appropriate time zone you need. Here, I'll select the UTC+7 time zone. In the Set the Time Automatically option, you can select On to allow the system to automatically adjust the time according to the time zone, or you can switch it off. A pop-up Change the Date and Time will appear. After adjusting, select Change to finish. A pop-up Change the Date and Time will be displayed. After the customization is done, you select Change to complete. Completing these steps above will help the system display the time accurately according to your preference. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.